Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A95 and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and then select power off once it shows up. Ignore the pop-up that just was visible there for a moment. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. And when you see the OPPO logo on the screen, let go of the power button. From here, tap on your desired language. And there we go, that's our recovery mode. We have only three options in here. Format data, which is basically a factory reset of the device. We have reboot or power off, which are just two different methods of leaving this mode. So there we go. Now I'm gonna select reboot device, confirm it, and this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.